Welcome to Allroads Overhead Garage Doors, where you will find high-quality and cost-effective door services. For 15 years, we have been the leading door services providers of Richmond, California. We offer the services of new installation, garage door, all-view style door, new roller, wood and steel carriage door, and more. For more information about our company, visit our website, allroadsoverhead.com. For the latest offers and promotions, you can call us at 510-375-8756 for a free estimate on your upcoming project. Allroads Overhead Garage Doors, ensuring the highest quality always.